Welcome to the TheraFace Pro How-To series. In this video, you'll see how to use the percussive attachments. Percussive therapy provides a facial massage which relaxes facial muscles and provides relief from facial muscle discomfort and jaw pain. Select and attach the desired percussive therapy attachment. Today we'll use the flat. Attach the percussive attachment to your TheraFace Pro and turn on by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. Then turn on the percussive by pressing the top button and select your speed, 1, 2, or 3, by clicking the percussive button again. Starting in the center of your chin, slowly glide with light pressure to the right ear, pausing for a few seconds at the pressure point located by the ear. Then glide back towards the tip of the nose and back towards the temple, pausing for a few seconds at the temple. Then glide across the forehead, moving across and up towards the hairline. Then repeat these steps on the left side of the face. Go to the right side of your neck, underneath your ear, and sweep down to your shoulder 3 times. Repeat on your other side. To end your percussive treatment, power off your device. This is also a great treatment to be used on the neck and chest. However, do not go down the center of the throat.